Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. OxygenOS is now available for almost all eligible devices. But some device users, especially OnePlus 11 and 12 series, are facing some major issues like heavy battery drain, performance drop, heating, and the gaming issues after updating to new OxygenOS 16. Here is my OnePlus 12R running with OxygenOS 16.0.3 v500 version. I already reviewed this update in this video and I got some major issues with it. Lots of users are also facing those issues and desperately want to downgrade their device. But there is a lot of confusion in users' mind because of the new ARB patch, and some are facing the errors while downgrading. So today we will show you how you can properly downgrade your device. Though I am showing the downgrade tutorial for OnePlus 12R in this video, it should work for all OnePlus devices, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, you have to confirm the ARB status of your device. We already uploaded the video on how you can check the ARB status of your device. That video will find in the iCard and in video description. First, go to the About Device section of your device. Note down your device code number and firmware version. Here our OnePlus 12R code number is CPH2585 and OxygenOS version is 16.0.3 v500. Now in the video description you will find the ARB checker GitHub link. On this site you will find almost all OnePlus devices with their ARB status. Here you have to first confirm your device region, model number, firmware version number, ARB index number, and last date of ARB verification and save status. Here for OnePlus 12R, our current firmware version has ARB index number as 0 and it's showing safe with the green check mark. This confirms that you can downgrade this version. In the same way, you have to check the ARB status of any OnePlus device. Only after confirming this status, you can proceed to next steps. First, you have to download the downgrade package from the link given in the description. I have given the two links for each device. One is to downgrade from OxygenOS 16 to 15 and another one is to downgrade to OxygenOS 14. I recommend you to download both files. The reason you will find at the end of this video. In this thread, under the rollback section, just tap on your device name and download the firmware. Once download completes, move this package to the root of the storage of your device using File Manager. First, we will try with the OxygenOS 15 downgrade package. Now go to the About Device section. There under the version section, tap 8 times on the version number. This will enable the developer option. Keep your device battery charge about 20%. Now under the OTA section, tap 3-dot menu, tap on the local install and select the downgrade package. But unfortunately, the OnePlus 12R OxygenOS 15 downgrade package is showing an error. This is the reason I mentioned to download both downgrade packages. Let's try with the OxygenOS 14 downgrade package. You just have to place the OxygenOS 14 downgrade package in the root of the storage and select it while local install option as you shown you earlier. This time we didn't got any error. Now tap on the install button, then tap on the restart. You will see the wiping of the data will start and the device reboots to setup screen. As downgrade process wipes your device data, so before proceeding, please take the full backup of your device. So our OnePlus 12R is downgraded to OxygenOS 14. After downgrading, if you want to update your device to OxygenOS 15, you can upgrade your device using software OT section. After downgrading to OxygenOS 14, my OnePlus 12R doesn't have any issues. It's working very well. Using this same tutorial, you can downgrade any OnePlus device to lower versions from OxygenOS 16. Links for major OnePlus devices are given in the video description. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.